LA Lewis, Obi and carry the whole the computer shut down. So I have to make it go back and bench me pre-program everything. And it one shut down my throat, that's why from where my throat has a problem. My vocal cord strain. You understand? Can you double squeeze my neck? But through me, I'm going to pray hard. And when we read Psalms 35 and Psalms 68 and Psalms 91, in Duppy then run, so they're going to mash up the car brains, because my brains them do want to go for. But they can't work.
I don't know what not here. L.A. Lewis says a madman. You can't sue nobody. You run out of blood clot steam. Because you say you give it from the first or the second of the month till now, and you say a 7 day. To the next 7 days, you cannot do nothing. So what the fuck you telling me about you guys sue? Sue what? Sue your ass. You don't have a liar. Because you lie, any liar take that case is going mad like you. Because me amount of clippings where we have where you disrespect and violate people. The whole Jamaica can't sue you. Down to the Queen of England can't sue you. And we're so sorry for you because you're sick. You're mentally retarded in your fucking head. So we realize he's a madman. So we love you to keep up a little bullshit them and make you go on. Just leave that something the way they brother. Because it's not going to work. You're done that good. You cannot sue nobody. And I can tell you, fucking shove it up your ass, L.A. Lewis, you're a batty man. Fuck you, nigger. Fuck you, nigger.